How's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to show you something I just discovered on all the wheels here of our Pilot. The good old curb rash. The crazy thing is it's on, I think, almost every wheel. I didn't notice it, and then we had the tires rotated. And so then we had some fresh wheels on one side, and they got curbed as well. I think this one might be the only one that doesn't have it. I didn't see any on that one. Let's see what this one is. Or maybe that one too. But I want to show you guys an easy way. The only thing I like about the gloss black wheels, as far as if you do curb them, is it's easy to touch up. So I want to show you here. You can see this section here. So what I've realized is a good way to touch this stuff up is to use a paint pen. If you don't want to spend a ton of money getting these refinished, just to have it happen again, I found that these oil-based paint pens here, let me show you here what I have. You can get these online, any craft store really, but they work really good. Let's show you here. It's just a marker, and you depress the tip to put more paint out, but it's an oil-based paint. So when you wash your wheels the next time, it's not gonna wear the paint off. So I'll show you here how easy it is to use. I just wipe this down, as you can tell, to get any dirt and grease off of it. You could sand this if you wanted to smooth it down, but I'm gonna show you, it's just a quick way to do it. So you just take your pen, just depress the tip here. You just gotta push down on it, and once you start pushing down, it'll have more paint coming out of it. So you just push down like this. Don't do too much because it will start really coming out the tip there. So you just keep painting, as you can see. Really easy to use. And you just let it dry. If you see any more, go do another coat of it. But being oil-based, it won't come off. So here a little bit started running. And I think this pin was like $4. Okay, so now when you stand back, you don't notice it. Especially if I wash the whole thing, you can't tell. Whereas before, it's the silver wheel with it being gloss black like that, you can really tell. So it's just an easy way to touch it up so it's not such an eyesore with these paint pens. Like I said, you can get them refinished, of course, for over $100 a wheel. But this is a fast way to do it where you're not going to be able to tell. I mean, maybe you will because you know they're there, and you can tell the finish is ruffled, but you could sand that down if you wanted to with a file and smooth it out and blend it in better. But I just want to show you guys an easy, quick way to do it where you're not going to notice it when you come up to your car. Like I said, just make sure it's an oil-based pen, because if not, every time you wash your car, it's just going to wear it off again. So hopefully that helps you out if you guys curb your wheels and you have black wheels, an easy fix. Just check on eBay or Amazon for an oil-based paint pen, and just, of course, select black or whatever color wheels you guys actually have. They make these pens in any color. And like I said, I think you'll be happy with the results for a couple dollars. So maybe they'll help you guys out. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.